Alright guys, welcome back to this very video model. So we'll be talking about how we created this particular design. Alright, so in the class I've asked everybody that has a business to share their business so we can do a design and teach with that design as being spontaneous. And Larry Dogs, Mr. Larry gave us his business model. So I worked with the information that he has given and I have created this. So we'll be learning how to do this right about now with Pixel Lab. So you come to Pixel Lab, you open your Pixel Lab, and I want to cancel. All right, I want to have a fresh page. So this is what I have. So quickly I'll just get all the resources I used to open or to do this. So where I want to go to immediately is to come here, all right, let me quickly show that. You come to this part somewhere down here, yes. All right, so come to this guy. When you open it, you come to from gallery. Then I'll be sharing the resources I used to make this in the WhatsApp group. Okay, all right, so I quickly search for the background image which I used, which is this one. All right, so I'll select it and then the system will ask me the size I want it, so I'm going to choose 1 by 1, which is a square size. So once I select that, I okay it, and that's what we have there. This text, you can just delete it. Now what you need to add now is to get the pictures you need for the design. So I downloaded a picture for him online from Google, and go to my downloads, come here to downloads, and then you see the design. This is the design of the dog. So he sells dogs. So as a dog seller, he sells dogs. So I'm going to go select this picture of dogs where he's selling here, and I'll okay that, and then I just use that as the top background, dividing the page into 2 halves, right, somewhat like this. I can use it like this, or better still, I'll come here to this plus sign, get my shapes, and I'll select a rectangular shape like so, right, and that's a rectangular shape. I'll just select that and I would okay it. So once there's an okay on this, you click OK. All right, now you want to color this, so I can go pick a color, come to this hexagon sign here, and then you go and select a color. So the color I'm going to be using for this is a color I would like to create. All right, so we use the blue. So you go to gradient. All right, so you select the colors you want. This is a blue gradient I've already made, so this is it. You just select a blue gradient. You can select any color of your choice, and then you okay that. Then you come to opacity and you just reduce the font of that. All right, you see, so you can see the design there very easily. All right, so you okay this, then you come here and you padlock this too. So the next thing you want to create is this best dog sale deals here. All right, so how do we create this? This one is very dicey. All right, so for this one you are going to import your shapes. I used not sticker. So here I used shapes. Yes, I got a rectangle shape like so. You just elongate it. You can give it a color. Come to colors here. You can give it a color. Maybe let me just use red for now. I'll change it later on. Alright, so then after I got that, I come back here, go to shapes, then you select this particular one, this one down here below the X sign, and then you give it a color also. You can give it same red. All right, so that's it. So you just blend it to the point where it sits with the design. So I'll set it somewhat like this. All right, so this is what I want to achieve. I want it to be able to sit here. So this one, I'll take it maybe somewhere here, take it a little bit up to where it aligns with the design. Alright, I duplicate again, you copy it out, and then you just maybe reduce the font size, and you come here to balance it out to be a square. right? So that's how you achieve that. This red, you can send it to forward or no, go back. The red here, let me use another color for it so maybe it stands out. Let me use maybe a yellow, right? So you understand what I'm doing. So you bring it to front so that you can easily measure out where it balances from the two design, right? So you have this, so you can bring this one a little bit backward and you balance it down there. You don't want it to show, so you have to make it very clear, so you have to find a way to keep it. All right, so for this other one here, you can duplicate this, copy, and you balance it out here also. So you can use your positioning to reduce it and you just move it out so it balances. This one you bring to the front and then you go back and change it to red so everything balances out. Okay, changes to that red. Okay, come select red here, find red. Yes, that's it. Okay, all right, I'm trying to make this video as short. I don't want to waste too much time on the video, so it's not too large. All right, so once you do this, all right, you try and make sure it gives that that's perfect shape without necessarily losing the. So if they are all touching, you just come here and padlock them so that you work on the ones you want to work on. Right, so once you've achieved this, yes, yeah. All right guys, so once you are able to achieve this, and you make sure that all the images are clearly placed out. It may not be 100%, but you've gotten that shape you desire. Then you now go ahead and select this. You come to this place here, and then you select 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you merge them together. Okay, so it becomes one image. You see, you can take it around. So once you've achieved this, you can then come and change the color also to what we have in the design there, something like this. It was a gradient which was like this. Yes, so this is how we achieve that. Okay, all right, so I'm still in the office, so I'm trying to just quickly do this before I leave. All right guys, so once this is achieved, the next thing we want to do is to get the puppy picture. Okay, we are going to go get the puppy picture. And then how do we add that? So you come here and you go to shapes and you select this 0 or O or the circle. Okay, you use the circle and then you just okay that, and then you go to texture. Come here, this is texture. You select the picture you want. So I've already downloaded the picture. This is the picture. You set it on square and you position it how you want it to come out. Alright, so once you do that, you see the picture is up, and then you go quickly to strokes and you give it maybe a color stroke to give it some presence there. Alright, so I used blue so it can really match and blend well with the background blue we have there. So moving forward now, the next thing we have to add is his logo. So for his logo, he sent his logo and we'll be adding that. So quickly we'll go here and then we'll add his logo that he sent to us. So where's the logo? WhatsApp images. All right, okay, so he has given us a new logo. So after I finished, he said okay, he has a new logo, so I should help him out. So let's help him with this new logo he sent. All right, so we are creating all of this from scratch. I didn't want it to be that okay, I'm using old modules. I like for each class we do live design and Eflier creation, so everybody gets to learn, so it will not be like a doctored something. So for this logo now, we come here and then you remove the background. All right, so you can select the part you want to remove The black is what I want to remove, so we have something like this. So this is the new logo he sent. Alright, this is the new logo he sent. So you can just keep the logo somewhere here. Right? So it's more, it's a logo that was done on a black and white background. So we can have it here. You can have it here. So design is spontaneous, design is creativity. So I may not even be able to do the same design again. Not that I can't do it, but because I don't want to restrict the creativity of my mind to just doing one style. Okay, so this is Dog Arena, which is his business name now. Okay, so I'll just leave that somewhere here, or I can bring it here. But you see that the background is not so clear to accommodate that, so we can help him with the logo. Get a circle quickly. I hope this video is not getting too long. I'll have to cut and continue. Alright, let's cut and continue. This is 11